In today's video, I take my drone to the coast. So in today's video, I take the DJI Mini 5 Pro over to Tynemouth, which is in the northeast of England, and I wanted to get some reveal shots, some point of interest shots, and some over the water shots with some reveal shots there as well. And so what you're about to see now is a nice relaxing video of those shots, so enjoy. So I hope you've enjoyed that little video of me flying around Tynemouth. I thought it was a great point of interest shot, seeing that monument and obviously bringing the drone upwards and sort of revealing not just the monument itself, but you can see the backdrop of the Priory and the Castle. You can see the North Sea, and sort of it just revealed nicely. And then obviously the Priory and Castle, a nice reveal, a side shot, then turning to reveal the graveyard and the cliff edge and the North Sea over that way, and then a couple of shots going over the water nearby as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have, hit that like button, comment below and let me know if you've been to Tynemouth or the coast and flown your drone over that water and over that particular area. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. So take care of yourself and happy flying, and bye bye.